So I've made videos in the past about CASETIFY cases for the iPhone series. Today we're going to take a look at the CASETIFY cases for the Samsung S22 Ultra. As you can tell, this device is huge, so you're going to definitely want something to protect it. We've got impact cases, crush cases, customized cases and print cases, so let's take a look. So taking a look at the case, you can see the cutouts on the bottom are very open and precise for the ports, speakers and microphone, which is always nice to see. The case has a thin profile, making it comfortable to hold, especially with a big phone like the S22 Ultra. It's nice to see some camera protection on the back. There's nothing major, but it's going to offer a decent amount of protection for the cameras. And we also get on the front a nice raised lip to protect the screen. Overall, it looks nice and feels quite nice. Remember, you can go to the link shown on screen and in the description for 15% off your order today if you decide you want to buy one. Let's go through the features that CASETIFY cases offer. Feature 1. They're super slim while also giving you over 6 feet of drop protection, and let's face it, if you've got a phone as big as the S22 Ultra, the last thing you want is a bulky case, otherwise you may have to carry it around like a laptop. At least with a slim case, you can potentially fit it in your pocket. The protection will mainly come from the Mrhtech 2.0 that runs through the border of the case. Feature 2. The cases are made from 65% recycled and plant-based materials, including older phone cases. The box is also 100% compostable. CASETIFY is their phone case recycling program that has recycled over 5,000 cases. It's pretty cool because if you take part in it, you're going to get a 15% off voucher for your next purchase. Feature 3. Never again will you have to settle when it comes to design. CASETIFY have you covered with over 100 printed designs for you to choose from, including constant new collaborations from the most popular shows and movies. If you don't like the printed designs, then go ahead and customize your own case so it's 100% unique. You can change the text, color, style, that way you know it's yours for sure. As well as the designs, you also have different cases. For example, the impact cases, which has a solid color throughout the border, and the impact crush cases, which have this cool speckled design going around the border. Both cases do come in different color combinations for you to pick. Feature 4. When it comes to your phone case, you can imagine how much interaction it gets throughout the day with bacteria. Well, CASETIFY cases have Defensify, which is a coating on the cases that is antimicrobial, meaning it's going to eliminate 99% of bacteria and prevents it from sticking to the surface in the first place. Now, it's all well and good saying that it can endure up to 6 feet of drop protection, or 6.6 feet, but the proof is in the pudding. So what we're going to do, we're going to go outside, we're going to drop the case a couple times with the phone in, see what happens. Maybe it survives, maybe it doesn't. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a comment below and press that like button if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future. Be sure to check out my other videos, as I'm sure you're going to find something you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.